To fully grasp the magnitude of what's happening with Tesla, we need to recognize that what's unfolding isn't just a single company's growth story. It's a comprehensive, multi-industry transformation. Tesla's strategy, executed under the leadership of Elon Musk, has been remarkably consistent from the very beginning. He's laid out a clear, long-term vision that's now taking shape in front of us, and it's a vision that extends far beyond electric vehicles. The master plan he revealed in 2016 was a blueprint for not just building cars, but for revolutionizing energy systems, transportation infrastructure, and how we all interact with and consume energy. This is a company that is increasingly becoming one of the most important players in reshaping global industries, from transportation to energy to even the future of the internet. In the early stages of Tesla's journey, the focus was firmly on vehicles, but as we know now, that was just the beginning. The Model 3, the compact SUV Model Y, and the pickup truck were all part of a strategy to make electric cars mainstream. These were not just vehicles, they were statements of intent. By bringing electric vehicles into the mainstream market, Musk wasn't simply aiming to create another car company. He was aiming to change the way we think about cars and, by extension, how we think about energy consumption and environmental impact. Tesla's cars aren't just about transportation, they are gateways to a larger vision. The release of the Model 3 was a pivotal moment. It wasn't just a car, it was the realization of a mass-market electric vehicle that would redefine the consumer experience. The Model 3 wasn't meant to cater to a niche market of early adopters. It was designed to be a vehicle for everyone. It was affordable, practical, and incredibly well-engineered, offering features that no other car on the market could match. With this car, Tesla set the stage for the electrification of the automobile industry, a step that other car companies are still struggling to catch up with. But Tesla's vision goes far beyond simply electrifying cars. Musk has been clear about his goal to disrupt the energy industry. He's not just building electric cars, he's building an energy ecosystem that allows individuals to control their energy production and consumption. This isn't just a lofty idea, it's already happening. Solar panels, home batteries, and the software and manage energy usage are all part of the broader strategy. Tesla is making it possible for people to produce their own energy, store it, and use it independently from traditional utilities. Think about it. The energy market has long been dominated by large utility companies, which are heavily regulated and protected from competition. They have the capital, the resources, and the infrastructure to maintain control over the energy market. But something is changing. People are beginning to see that they don't have to rely on the traditional energy grid. With solar panels, Tesla Powerwalls, and energy management software, homeowners can generate their own electricity, store it, and even sell it back to the grid. This shift is fundamentally changing the dynamics of the energy industry, and it's happening faster than anyone expected. Tesla is leading the way in this transformation. It's not just about selling electric cars anymore. It's about creating an entirely new energy system. Musk's ambition to create a decentralized energy grid, powered by solar energy and battery storage, is now becoming a reality. This is not just a side project or an afterthought. It's a core part of Tesla's business model and growth strategy. The company is building the infrastructure that will allow every home, every business, eventually entire cities, to generate and manage their own energy. This shift to a decentralized energy system will have profound implications for the traditional energy sector. The big utility companies, who have long been able to issue debt and operate without much competition, will find themselves facing an entirely new landscape. As more and more consumers adopt solar energy and battery storage, the demand for traditional energy sources will decrease. This is the kind of disruption that doesn't come from legislation or regulation, but from consumers making choices that work better for them. Now, let's look at the stock market's reaction. When you're evaluating Tesla, you need to take a step back and view the company through the lens of its long-term strategy. Many short-term investors are too focused on quarterly earnings or immediate results, but that misses the bigger picture. Tesla's stock is volatile, and that volatility can be frustrating. Some quarters, Tesla may miss its numbers or overspend on capital expenditures. For instance, the company spent heavily on AI infrastructure for FSD training, which may have led to some short-term concerns. However, these kinds of investments are necessary for the future of Tesla's autonomous driving and energy solutions. The point is that if you take a long-term view, Tesla's growth potential far outweighs the occasional misstep. In the early years, the company was viewed skeptically. Many doubted that Tesla could ever become a mass-market automaker or that it could compete with the giants of the automotive industry. However, as we've seen, Tesla is not only competing, it's setting the standard. The growth of Tesla's market cap from $40 billion to $750 billion is a testament to its ability to execute on its vision. Sure, there have been bumps along the way, but the company has remained committed to its long-term strategy. The fact that Tesla is now being included in the S&P 500 is a reflection of its success. It's not just a car company. It's a leader in decarbonization, energy storage, and even the future of distributed energy. One of the most important things to remember as an investor is that Tesla is a long-term play. If you're focused on short-term profits, you might get frustrated with the volatility. But if you're willing to look beyond the headlines and focus on what the company is building, you'll see that Tesla's future is incredibly bright. The company is not just selling cars. It's creating an entirely new energy ecosystem, and that is what sets it apart from any other automaker or energy company. As for the critics, they've always been there, but they've missed the point. The bears focus on short-term metrics like sales numbers and market share. They focus on the balance sheet and try to pick apart Tesla's financials. But what they're missing is the bigger picture. Tesla is building something far more valuable than just cars. It's creating the infrastructure for a sustainable energy future. There are those who believe that Tesla's growth is unsustainable, that the company will eventually face competition it can't overcome. However, when you look at Tesla's technology, AI, the FSD, the battery technology, the solar products, it's clear that the company is positioned to lead in multiple sectors, not just one. The company's innovation goes far beyond just automobiles. Its software and energy solutions are transforming entire industries. And if you're still wondering about the risks, consider this. Tesla is more than just an automaker. It's an energy company, a software company, and a tech company all rolled into one. It's creating the future of energy and transportation. And if the critics are right, and Tesla somehow falters, there are plenty of other companies, Apple, Google, Amazon, that would be happy to step in and take the reins. In the end, the real question isn't whether Tesla will succeed, it's when. The company has already proven its ability to disrupt the automotive industry, and now it's taking on the energy sector. If you're an investor, the time to act is now. Tesla isn't just about electric cars. It's about a sustainable future, and that's something worth betting on.